Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm in the heart of Basildon. Are you looking for your family home? I've got a beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property located on Clay Hall Road. If you're looking for something that's got ample amount of parking, a detached garage and downstairs WC, then look no further. Take a look in your new home. Surely you do not want to be disappointed. So if you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, please do not hesitate to contact me. The contact number is 01268 271 110, and we'll see you real soon.